Hello everyone. I just want to keep it short and clean so that you guys can catch up quickly as you have clicked this link to watch my webinar. Of course, there are your personal reasons, right? I'm pretty sure that most of them here to know and understand that how I make money online. Right. So the things that I'm going to share in this webinar is that I'll make sure that it's worth your time. Like literally. If you listen my webinar carefully till the end and implemented it, I'm telling you guys you will get solution for your exact problem. Before starting, you guys need to know who I am. So, hello guys, Aisha this side. I'm a business coach and an entrepreneur, and my teammates are earning so good on this platform. You can check out my testimonials and the teammates earning proof in my Insta highlights. Right? So, before starting this webinar, I just want to ask you guys some questions. Yeah, just analyze this question and let me know if this is a yes or no. You guys can always DM me, or else after this webinar, you just connect me through WhatsApp and they will have a discussions as well. Okay, and my DMs are always open. You guys can anything related to my work, my team will approach you and clarify them. You people, you have completed your college degree, right? There are people who are employed as a fresher after college, right? We all know. So you get to have like what 20 to 30K per month as a fresher. This is like everybody knows this. Do you have the capacity, though you know that you will earn like up to 70 to 80K, but you just sacrifice yourself. See, listen, there is no job that would pay you 1 lakh as a fresher unless you have done your PhD or master's, right? From a well-known university. Note that. And not to forget about your soft skills too. This opportunity, is like for everyone. This is no joke, guys. That people are making 1 to 2 lakh every single month with the help of our courses. And please be little mature and understand that job is not the only way to make money. Okay. I manage everything all alone and I train my students to make money online and I don't hire anyone here. I'm not hiring anyone. So just want to ask you guys, like, do you sacrifice yourself? Do you really? Do you just settle for anything? That yeah, if you're fresher, you just settle for that, like 20 to 30K. Though you have a good amount of skills and good capacity, that you would earn up to 70 to 80K. You know that you are good at this profession and you can, and your skills can get you to the level, but you just settle for what it is. So yeah, let me know if this is yes or no. And some are unemployed too, like after college. So okay, we'll move to the next question. So I'll ask you guys another question. If this job that you got, is it safe and secure? Like, are you sure that you will get permanently placed in one company and they won't fire you? Are you sure? Like, if you go to the company, if you sit in a laptop and type from 9 to 5, and your boss won't fire you anytime, and you know that like how I'm gonna sit in this company for till my lifetime and gonna make money. Like, do you know that? Are you sure that you're secure? Let me know if this is yes or no or what. Because you guys know you have no idea how AI is leading the world right now. AI technology is literally going to take away 47% of jobs human does in our upcoming days. Literally, any jobs that comes under automation, note that it will go away. For example, no, in metro, like you find like cashier, but now no, you will find only vending machines and automation jobs. These automation jobs is getting replaced, guys. If you have no idea, now go find yourself, or else I'll send you an article. Okay, how fast AI is controlling the world right now. So no, so you know what? When some people know they have this mindset, like you gotta sit down, work on something again and again, like 9 to 5 jobs. That kind of mindset jobs, now it will get finished. Do you agree or not? No, let me know if you agree or not. Because you know what? Like after COVID hit the world, everyone transformed digitally. Everyone. You might have seen, no, like how after pandemic the world changed, how the world changed digitally. Like most people, you can see it yourself. Like I don't have to say, you know, like how the world is after the pandemic, right? You know how now the millionaires they became millionaire is due to what? Digital platforms. Do you agree or not? Let me know. Did you notice? Did you ever saw a millionaire go 9 to 5? No. Did you see a millionaire? They became a millionaire with a limited mindset and that job mindset. Do they have that mindset? Never. They're literally outside the matrix. But we are stuck with the limited mindset and inside the matrix, inside the box, thinking only 9 to 5 job will save us. That is enough to provide a family. But that's not real. If you click this link to watch my webinar, you gotta think outside the box. Is the universe is infinite and you gotta dream big to achieve big. You gotta take steps that normal people won't do. You gotta figure out, work your brain as how millionaires do. Work for it and trust me, this is gonna change your life forever. This is gonna change your life forever. In next 6 months, after your hard work and dedication, you aren't out of the matrix. If you don't become extraordinary, come back to me. In no way you will earn money by just scrolling reels and not putting like any effort. See, like just note this, if people get money, know this, if people claiming that you will get money without investing, or just like that. It's a big scam. It's literally a big scam, guys. It's a total scam, guys. You need to understand, like, if people claiming that if you send these two messages and you will get a 1 lakh per month, 2 lakh per month, no, it's a scam. Don't ever fall on the trap. Seriously, don't. Have you seen that people having big companies like Google, Apple, Tesla companies, like people hire only them who have good amount of skills. Literally, people with good skills are getting hired now. In marketing, likewise, if you want to go ahead and achieve big, you got to focus on your skills and you want to polish them. Skills will literally save you, and it's your strength. Can be YouTube, affiliate marketing, sales, or anything. If you know like how to play a guitar, if you know how to do a photograph, if you know like how to edit some videos, like it's all a skills, guys. Like basically with those skills, you have to understand which skill is gonna take you ahead, which skill is gonna be your advantage. You basically should know like how you can earn good amount of money with that skill. I guarantee it, if you know like how to make YouTube shorts reels, you will get like brand collaborations. You can also earn a hell lot of money. Like it will take time, but of course you will earn a good lot of money from that also. So no, the problem still now, like I have stated, I have told you, that can be solved, and I have that only one answer for that. That is what we are doing in this platform and how I'm making money in this platform. Like how much I'm earning and my team is earning, and it's a genuine money and it's come into your bank account. Exactly. And it's none other than affiliate marketing and freelancing. That's it. Affiliate marketing and freelancing. We provide affiliate marketing and freelancing where you can earn good amount of money by affiliate marketing as well freelancing. So like I'll state this, what is it actually, like I'll state it in a briefly. Okay, you got to listen this what it's actually. So listen this carefully, then you will understand. Okay, so to simply the process, we started working in two parts basically. So we did research which skill is trending now in the market and in high demand, and after acquiring and learning, people will be successful and can earn a lot of money. So we collaborated with the experts and designed beautifully structured course so that people can buy, learn, and implement them in life. That can be a job, business, self-employment, anything implemented in your life, so that you can upgrade and level up. Now, people have created a lot of results in this. You have no idea. People have created a lot of results. Lot of people are creating results in this platform. Lot of people are earning money from this platform. They are earning triple the income. They have generated a lot of income in this platform. And now you can also create those results. You have to understand the concept and implement them. That's it. Game over. Exactly. You're making money at your leisure time. No 9 to 5. No loss. Nothing. You're your own boss now. Exactly. If you have like learned 70% and implemented 30%, you got that capacity. I'm telling you, this is how millionaires are made. So this is probably the easiest way to make money in 2023. And if you're thinking, oh, here we go again, right? Another rich quick scheme. Totally, I totally understand. I would be skeptical. I would be skeptical too. But so listen, I'm being realistic now. I'm not one of those people that says you can make 1 lakh a week. No, that's probably not gonna happen. Okay, ain't no way is gonna make 1 lakh. I've told you, if someone claims saying that they can make 1 lakh per week, no, it's a scam. No, guys, you're not at the start of. You cannot just start and make 1 lakh per month and start itself. What if I say you can make them after 6 months of hard work and dedication, after your implementation? Yes, you can. What most likely is going to happen is you're going to start out making, let's say, like 2K for the first month, then 4K the second month, then 5, 6, and 7, and then you gradually grow your income from there. So basically, this is what I'm trying to tell you, that step by step you get ahead, but not necessarily in fast spurts, right? Yeah. So basically, you will get to learn how you can make money easily by just putting the 70% in learning and 30% in working. Just that's it. Make sure you join my WhatsApp group. I'll be linking my WhatsApp group down below, where I'll send you the Zoom session link where you can attend the meeting and shoot your queries directly with me. So we'll be having the one-on-one session now. Make sure you guys join on my WhatsApp group, in my broadcast group. First, I'm taking first 15 people for my Zoom meeting, and then the next batch. So make sure you guys join and be a part of this community, and I'll make sure that this is worth your time, this is worth your place, and this will definitely change your life, because I have experience, my teammates have experience, and then they're learning, the earning, guys. So what else do you want? You have like, they're providing the skills where basically you get to learn, and they're providing the, like the earning dashboard, so you get to earn from there also. So the session will be free, of course, guys. No, I'm not charging anything. So join my community and I'll update everything there. Join my session, get enrolled, and there you go. After enrolling, you will get my access. You will get the access to my free mentorship program, which is also free of cost. You might be wondering what my mentorship program will teach you. So my free mentorship program, and the roadmap to earn passive income every day with earning dashboard, lifetime access to your courses, my special PDFs, everyday doubt session, and one-on-one session, free weekly trainings with highly experienced people. This is all you're gonna get from my side. I'm there to help you, guide you in your journey. You just have to take a step, and that's it. You're good to go, guys. Like people are very hardworking. They spend their whole time and money to get average job, and but now the time has changed. If you have good skills, you don't need any kind of that degree to become independent. You can just make your own decision and then you're independent. So take the right decision on the right time and be self-independent, guys. So make sure you save my number on the WhatsApp is the most important step so that you can get my daily updates regarding the work through stories. Otherwise, if you miss anything important, then I'll be not responsible, guys. Okay? So save my number, connect on WhatsApp, and I'll share you the complete details. We'll have Zoom session after this webinar. Make sure you click the link and join my WhatsApp because I have more exciting stuff to tell on my Zoom session that I'll be interacting with you guys one-on-one, and I'm sharing some more benefits, which is like it's free of cost, guys. It's gonna change your life forever because I have something really exciting to tell you guys also, which will help you further. I'm not telling you in this webinar because a lot of people are watching, and I don't want, and it's public right now, so I don't want you to just just randomly tell this because I want only people that are really interested. you know they are like I'm taking people on the priority basis as well, and I want people that have good quality in them, because if people know they have good mindset, that rich mindset, it is easy for them to even earn, and it's easy for me also to teach them and help them to grow. If people with limited mindset now, it will be very hard for me too. So it's up to you guys. Make sure you click this link below and join my WhatsApp group. I have more exciting stuff to tell you guys there, and yeah, we'll connect there in. And I just want to tell you guys one more thing, like in the next 3 months, one of these two things will happen. Yeah, note this. So you would have figured out exactly how to earn online in a legit way by just learning high income skills, and you'd be making 50,000 to 1 lakh per month. Yeah, or you'll be exactly where you're right now, looking for options and feeling confused. So the choice is yours, and we have 15 to 16-year-old are able to create such an income for themselves in this age. So this is like for everyone, not just a student or employed or a job holders. No, this is for all, like housewives, everyone, because they have taken action and at the right time, and that's the reason they can create such results. No, nothing is magic, everything is pure hard work and ability to work for their dreams and engage. So you guys, I'll meet you there in the Zoom session. I have a lot of stuff to tell you, that tell you guys. They have like more profits that from my side, more benefits from my side, and it's only for people who are gonna join in my Zoom session. And I'm taking only serious people there, no jokes, only serious people. And yeah, we'll meet there and we'll have you guys there, and I'll be so excited to tell you more about this. And thank you guys. Meet you guys in a Zoom session. Stay connected and bye.